Hello students, now let us go to our next exercise 2B, self-practice 2B. Self-practice 2B. Self-practice 2B. Here what we are going to do the exercise means, that is to make ascending order, descending order and the greatest number, smallest number. Just these four things only. We all know how to make a ascending order and descending order. Says I have written some numbers 22, 46, 90, 11, 2. Okay, for to make the ascending order, how will you make ascending order? Ascending means ascending order. Ascending means from smaller to greater. You have to increase first small number, next greater like this. Okay, first ascending order. How you are arranging, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Now see the number 22, 46, 90, 11, 2. Ascending order, smaller to greater. What is the smaller number in the given number? 2 is the smaller number. Yes, no? You know 2 is the smaller number. After 2, what is the next smaller number? 2 afterwards. 11 is the smaller number. After 11, next smaller number. After 11, next small number is out. See the 3 number 22, 46, 90. Next smaller number is 22. No, 22 is smaller and 46 is greater and 90 is very greater. So next number is 22. And next smaller number. Now see this 46 and 90. What is smaller in the, among these two? 46 is the smaller. And next we know it 90 is the last everything. Okay, yes, no? Greater. So ascending order means from smaller to greater we are arranging. And next order is descending. Descending means descending, just opposite. Ascending is smaller to greater, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Descending means from greater to smaller, bigger, smaller like that. Yes, no? See that, like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that you have to tell. Okay, now for descending order, see this, out of the given number, we know first greatest number. Out of this number, what is the greatest number? 90 is the very big number. First write the biggest number, 90. After 90, next write the, after 90, next small number, 46. Next small number is 22. Next smaller number is 11. And the last smallest number is 2. Yes, now like this. Ascending order, small to greater, and descending order is greater to smaller. Okay, now let us see some exercise from this lesson. See here, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very easy. I just gave you one example. Like that only you can do it to find the greater number and smaller number. That's only very easy. You can do it. And I will do question number 6 here. Question number 6. Question number 6 I will do here. Write the smallest number found by using each of the digits. 2, 4, 6, 0, 9, 1, 3 and 7. Using these digits, we have to write the smallest number. 2, 4, 6, 0, 9, 1, 3, 7. This is the number. With this number you have to make the smallest number. So just remember to form the smallest number. To form the smallest number, we have to do the ascending order. To form the smallest number, we have to form the ascending order. Smallest number. We have to find the smallest number here. So smallest number is, how will you arrange the smallest number in this? Smallest number is, now in the given digit, what is the smallest digit? 0. After 0, next smaller digit is? After 0, next smaller digit is 1. After 1, next smaller digit is? After 1, next 2. After 2, next is 3. After 3, next is 4. After 4, next number is 5, not the 6. After 6, next number is 7. After 7, next number is 9. We have written here. Yes, no? Now, this is the smallest number. But see that here, how many digits given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits given here. But see this digit. How will you read this number? How will you read this number? 12,34,679. Yes, no? Are you using 0 here? Are you using 0 this 0? No. You are just reading 12,34,679. We just leaving one digit here. So that means this is wrong. So what we have to do, if the 0 coming first, what we have to do, we have to shift this 0 to here and this 1 to here. Just shift it, okay? 0 goes there and 1 comes front. 1, 0. Now you can read it. Yes, no? 1,34,679. Yes, no? When 0 comes first, just make the 0 to go second place. Okay, understand? This is the answer. Next question, let us go question number. Okay, next see that this is the standard form. Using comma you are writing. This is the standard form. And word form, how will you write? In word form, how will you write? This is the standard. Smallest number. Okay, now smallest number. And word form, how are you reading? 1 crore, 2 lakh, 34,000, 600, 79. This is the word form. You have to write in word. Standard form is, this is the standard form, and word form is, this is the word form. Next question number, we will go question number 7. Write the largest number formed by using each of the digits 5, 1, 0, 7, 6, 3, 9 and 2 only once, both in standard form and word form. You have formed here smallest number. Now they are given to form the greatest number. Question number 7. See the question number 7. The given digits are 5, 1, 0, 5, 1, 0, 7, 6, 3, 7, 6, 3, 9 and 2. 9, 2. This is the given number. Given number 5107639. This is the given number. You have to form the greatest number. What is the greatest number we are going to form? Write the largest number found by using each other. Okay. Largest number. How will you form largest number? To form the largest number, we have to write the in which order, ascending order or descending order. To form the smallest number, we have to form the ascending order. To form the greatest number, we have to write in the descending order. Descending means greater number, smaller, smaller, like this. Okay. What is the greater in this? 9. 9 is the greatest digit. After 9, next see that 8 is there? No. After see 7 is there? Then after 7 see next 6. After 6 see next 5. See next 4 is there? No. See next 3. Next number 2. Next number 1. And next number last is 0. See now? This is the largest number. Separated using comma. 9,76,53,210. This is standard form. This is the standard form. And next they are telling write this number in word form. Write it in the word form. How we will write in the word form? 9 crore 76 lakh 53,000 210. This is the word form. This is the greatest number, largest number. We have formed the largest number using comma and we have written in the word form. This is the answer. We will go to next question number 8. Question number 8. Write the smallest and the greatest numbers of 6 digits using, they given some numbers here. Question number 8. See the question number 8. That is question number 8. Write the smallest and the greatest numbers of 6 digits using 0, 2, 0, 2, 9, 4 and 8. This is the digits given here. This is given. You have to form the 6th digit number. Question given. Just read the question one time. It's told you write the smallest and the greater. You have to write 2 numbers. Smallest number also you have to write and greatest number also you have to write. Write smallest and the greatest number of 6 digits using 0, 2, 9, 4, 8. So first let us write the smallest number. Just remember how we will write the smallest number. Smallest number, to write the smallest number, we have to form the ascending order. Ascending order is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Smaller number, okay? Ascending order. What smallest number in this? 0, 2, then next is 4 and next is 8, 9. I already told you if 0 comes front, what we have to do? The 0 you have to shift it to second place. Yes, no? So we know it. We have to form the 6th digit number. But actually how many digits given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 digits they gave you. Using 5 digits we cannot form the 6th digit number. So we need one more digit. So we are writing here smallest number. So to form the smallest number, in this, what is the smallest digit? 0 is the smallest digit. Yes, no? To To form the smallest number, what is the smallest digit here? That digit write one more time. Okay, one more time. Right. We have to form the 6-digit number. Yes, no? Now see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Just write this 0 also. Now we have 6 digit. Now we have 6 digit. I told you, how will you read this? 2489. But you are not reading this 20. So what we have to do? Shift this 20 right side and this 2 to left side. Okay, understood? This 2, 2, 0, 0. Like this. Now it is 6-digit number. You can read it now. 2,489. 2,489. This is the smallest number. Next we have to form the largest number. Largest or greatest number. To form the largest number, what is the method? Arrange the number in descending order. 9, 8, 7, 6 like that. Come down small by small. Okay, one by one. Now what is the, here you can see, here given digit is how much? Only 5 digits they gave you. But we have to form 6-digit number. So we are lacking 1 digit in the given number. So now we have to form the largest number. Yes, no? So out of given number, what is the largest digit? 9 is the largest digit. Yes, no? 9 is the largest digit. So write 9 one more time. Okay, write 9 one more time. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 6 digits. So form the largest number now. Largest number, descending order. 9, 9, 8, 4, 2, 0. This is the largest number. 9,98,420. This is the largest number. This is the answer. Next we will go to question number 9. Write the greatest and smallest number of 6 digits using 390462 only once, such that the digit 3 always appears at the hundredth place. Just read the question. We will form it now. Question number 9. Read the question. Question number 9. We have to form the write the greatest and the smallest number of 6 digits using 3, 9, 0, 4, 6, 2, only once. 2, 4, 6. They gave you 6 digits here. We have to form the 6-digit number. Okay, 6-digit number. But they gave one condition here. The condition is the digit 3 will always come in hundredth place. Yes, no? The digit 3 always appears at the hundredth place. So write the smallest number now first. Let us write the smallest number. How we will write the smallest number? Smallest number we will write in the ascending order. Yes, no? Ascending order we will write it. But they told you in the 100 place, 10th place, 1st place. The 100th place, which digit will come? 3. 100th place, 3 will come. Yes, no? 100th place, 3 will come. Okay, next we will write 3 in the 100th place. Okay, next we will write other digits. For other digits, smallest number ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the smallest number in this? 0, 2, 0, 2. Afterwards 2. Next number is 4, 6, 9. Here form small by small. Smaller number 0, 2, after 2 next big number is 4, after 4 next big number is 6, after 6 next biggest number is 9. We have written 3 here because question they told you write 3 in 100 place. We have to write 3 in 100 place only. 3 should not write anywhere. Condition they told you, because of the condition only we have written 3 here. Okay, don't be confused. 3 will come here and 4 will go there. Don't be confused, because of the condition we have written 3 here. Now see that 0 should not come front. So change 0 there. 2 and 0. 2, 0. See that this is the smallest number. 2,04,369 is the smallest number. Next we will form the greatest number. Next we are going to form the greatest number. To form the greatest number, how we will form the greatest number? Just arrange it in the descending order. But condition is 3 will come in the 100 place. In the 100 place what will come? 3. 3 will come in the 100 place, and we have to other digit we have to write in the descending order. Like first is like a greatest. First will come 9. 9 is the greatest. 9. Next after 9 is 6. After 6 next is 4. After 3 we have written. Next after 3 we have to write 2, and after 2 we have to write 0. So this is the greatest number. 9,64,320 is the answer. Smallest number, and this is the greatest number. Now we will complete our last question, question number 10. Question number 10, that is, write the smallest and the greatest 8-digit number using the following digits: 3, 8, 0, 1, 7. You have to form write the smallest and the greatest 8-digit number. You have to form 8-digit number. 8-digit number. But given how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 digit only given. You have to form the both smallest and greatest number using 8 digit. Now let us form the smallest number. Smallest number, how we will form? So before forming smallest digit, let us make 8 digit here. 8 digit. But given here 5 digit only. Yes, no, 5 digit. We need 3 more digits so that we will get total 8 digit. So what is the smallest number here? 0 is the smallest number. So make 3 times 0. 0, 0, 0. Yes, no? Now form the smallest number. 1, 2, 3. 4 times 0. 4 times 0. After 0 next number 1. After 1 next is 3. After 3 next number is 7, 8. So this is the 8-digit number. But is this smallest number? How we will read this number? 1378. So we are not reading this 40. So as usual, shift this 1 to here and this 40 right side. 1 here and the 40 right side. Now how we can read this number? 1,03,78. This is the 1,03,78. Next we have to form the greatest number. Greatest number. So to form the greatest number, so we got only 5 digit here. 5 digit. We need 3 more digit. So we are forming now greatest digit, greatest number. So what is the greatest digit here? 8 is the greatest digit. So write the 8 3 more times. 8, 8, 8. So now greatest number, right, are in the descending order. 8, 8, 8, 8. After 8, next is 7. After 7, next smaller number is 3. And the last smallest number is next smaller number 1. Last is 0. So now you can read this number. 8 crore, 88 lakh, 87,310. This is the answer.